This year pattern works for both Cheetah and Gomdolee dolls. Row 1. Slip knot then chain 4. You will have 3 back loops in total. Skip 1. In the second loop, 2 half double crochet increase. In the third loop, half double crochet then slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut. You should now have 5 stitches on top. Row 2. Slip knot then insert the loop into the lower left corner, or the third stitch of the foundation chain. Chain 1, then on the back loops of the next 4 stitches, do 2 half double crochet increases. Chain 1 and cut. Leave at least 6 inches of hanging yarn for sewing. This cubbier pattern can work for multiple dolls. You can further adjust the shape once you sew it in. For example, for cheetalee, the ears are positioned nearer, and sewn a bit narrower for a rounder cheetah cubbier. For gomdolee, the ears are positioned a bit farther, and sewn to be a bit wider. For these 7 cm versions, I used a smaller to 0.5 mm hook for the body and ears. Check out these playlists for the full Gomdo and cheetalee guides.